August 2024 Curated Bead Box unboxing. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, this is August, can't believe it's August, but August 2024 unboxing for Curated Bead Box. And it actually came in on the same day as my bargain bead box, so I was kind of happy with that. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, purple and blue is my favorite color. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna love this one. So let's go ahead and get in here. I think Benji's y'all know my little dog Benji. If you've been watching me for very long, he heard me going crazy. He's downstairs barking. All right, so this is Regal Royal from Curated Bead Box, and I'll do my best to tell you the right ones. These aren't numbered, so it's a little harder for me to kind of guess what's what, but I think for the most part I can get them right. So, oh y'all, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh gosh. Okay, so the first one is 10mm lilac glass pearl beads, 8-inch string. So that would be these. They're 10mm. Lilac is kind of lighter purple, and these do look like a pearl. So that's our first ones. Those are pretty. Next we have, and that's an 8-inch string. Next we have a 10mm purple crackle frosted glass bead and a 6-inch string, and that is crackle glass. And if you've been with me long enough, you know I love crackle glass. I don't know if I showed these real good, but there. Okay. Then we have 10mm white opaque gemstone beads. It's a 7 to 8 inch string, it says. So it's probably these white opaque, yeah. So those are white and those are definitely opaque. And they're 10mm. Ooh, they're smooth too. Then we have a 8mm lapis lazuli gemstone beads, 7 to 8 inch string. I think it's these, you all. I'm not sure, but I believe it's these, because we've also got 6mm, and the rest of these are smaller, so it has to be that one. Then we've got a 6mm purple spotted marble style glass bead and a 10-inch string, and that would be those. Ooh, those are pretty. They're like a blue and a purple, and they are spotted. Then we have 6mm beads, dark purple glass pearl beads, and a 16-inch string. So that would have to be these, because they're like a pearl bead, and that's a big string, so. All right. Then we have 6mm beads, white semi-oak gemstone, and a 7 to 8 inch string, and that would be this. Because yeah, some of them are kind of opaque, and some of them are, well, no, it's kind of like half see-through, half opaque. Okay. Then we have approximately 1 ounce of Regal designer glass bead mix. That's probably this one. Some beautiful blues and purples and like a pinky, what was it, mauve, I guess, pinky purple. And then you've heard me say that we always get these. Sometimes they're different colors, but it's some kind of a clear glass with a silver around it, and they're different. They come in different sizes, but we always get those. Just sometimes they're different colors. See, like this one. That one is blue, but it's still that glass with that silver. But those are pretty. Then we have 12mm blue moon glass 12mm Blue Moon Galaxy Glass beads, and there's 6 beads. Boy, that's a tongue twister. Say that twice. Fast. I don't think you can say it twice fast. 12mm Blue Moon Galaxy Glass beads. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, I think it's these. Those are pretty. I like that. It's almost got that oily look, you know, if oil's on ground and it looks like that rainbow color. If the sun hits it just right. It's kind of what those remind me of. Then we have 14 by 10mm Milky White glass oval beads, and there's 8. That should be these. That looks like jelly beans. Looks like a white jelly bean. Then we've got, where am I at? 12mm maroon cloisonne beads. I'm probably butchering that word. C-L-O-I-S-O-N-N-E. Cloisonne bead. Sorry. 4 beads. Maroon cloisonne. I need to look that up, see what that is. But it looks almost like a Japanese bead. Oops. Those are pretty though. Those are really pretty actually. Then we have 12 by 6mm silver column metal spacer beads, and there's 6 of those. That's these. So it's little, those are pretty, little spacer bead. Then we have 6mm silver metal spacer beads, approximately 30. Last we have, well, second to last, we have a 66 by 54mm silver metal pendant. That is a big pendant. And then with Curated Bead Box, they always send findings. So usually you'll have, well, let's see. It says it contains a starter kit, which includes crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster clasp. And the color this month, obviously, is silver. There's the elastic. So there's all the findings to get you started on making jewelry. And Curated Bead Box is another Curated Bead Box company. I mean, yeah, that's their name, but that's what they do. And with them, it's $20 a month. I mean, you can't go to a store, you know, Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby, wherever, and spend $20 and get this much stuff. So this is the best way to go, is through these bead box companies. That is like the best bang for your buck. And I don't have a coupon code. I'm trying to work with them, but I don't have a coupon code yet. But I will link their description in the I'll put their link, if I could talk, in the description box below. That way you can click on that and at least go and see them and check them out and see if you want to become a part of their subscription too. And if I'm wrong on that price, I'm pretty sure it's 20. I'm in 3, so they are getting a little jumbled, and I don't know why I keep wanting to forget them. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my little container thing, and I get these at Hobby Lobby, and I'll come back and I will show you what it looks like all bundled up. Now today, unfortunately, unless it's later today, I'm probably not going to be able to do a tutorial with this. I've got to take my daughter to a school event thing, you know, all that's getting started. And so I don't know if I'll have time later today to maybe do a tutorial, but if not, I'm going to try to do a tutorial tomorrow. we'll just have to see how it goes. And if not, at least by, you know, next week. But I'm hoping to get something done today or tomorrow, because that's beautiful. I'm in love with this. This is like my colors. This is my jam. Huh? Kind of looks like jam, huh? All right, well, I'll shut up. I'll put this in my box and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I don't know why I didn't think to grab that beside me. It was sitting right by me. But yes, it is $20 a month plus tax, and there is no shipping with this. So $20, no shipping, plus a little bit of tax, and that's it, and you get all this stuff. Okay, now I'm going to put it in my little thing, and I'll be right back. All right, look how pretty that is in my little thing. Let me get this closer if it don't blur on me. Come on, there it goes, I think a little bit. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't wait to get started making something with this. I have been very well pleased with both this one and the Curated Bead Box. I mean, this one and the other video. I'll link it up here. But anyway, that's it for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that little subscription and join this crazy family. And again, I'll try to get something made today. If not, at least one little small thing. If not, then hopefully by tomorrow I can get a tutorial uploaded. And I guess it'd help if I turn that light on, huh? But that's it. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.